It's so hard, just trying to figure it out. Trying to believe God, trying to watch the words of my mouth and stand up. Trouble come and go, even in the mountain high or the valley low, but never let your faith go. I've been here before, so confused, don't know which way to go. Stressed out, also crazy, might as well rise up. Got courage, these guys, they look like us, but we know who we trust. Trust when I say that.